My name is Ken Burns, and I'm a machine builder at Egan Food Tech. This machine here will melt candy, taffy. It'll come into the hopper, it'll come down, it'll get pressed out and put into these trays right here, and it'll scoot down the line and employees will take it off the machine. Okay. Counterpart has helped myself and the other employees better locate parts and know what's in the system, and helping us understand on what is here to assemble. We might have an assembly that shows maybe just this block. So what we'll do is we'll get on to this assembly, and that enables us to look at that in a 3D form and spin it and look at possibly all the nuts and bolts that we have to put on here. And Counterpart also helps us, like I said, to identify the parts that are already here in stock. So we can spin this whole machine around and look at every angle, and that will help us better assemble. It's a really nice system.